What's good? It's your boy Jerome from JeromeWilderFitness.com. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking about the 2 things that you can do to help get rid of or cure type 2 diabetes. All right, let's get into the video. Now, a lot of people I've sat with, a lot of people have told me that they can't get rid of diabetes. All right, a lot of people that have come to me with type 2 diabetes have literally said it's impossible. Doctors have told me it's just something I can manage. All right, and I truly believe in my heart. All right, no offense to any of you doctors out there, right? I have no problem with doctors, but I find that a lot of doctors help people manage symptoms but not actually get rid of them, right? That's not every doctor, but there are some that really try to push people to get on certain drugs and medication when really and truly just changing your lifestyle can get rid of that problem. All right, so in this video, I'm specifically, like I said, gonna talk about what you can do to reverse type 2 diabetes. Now, let's get to the root of what causes diabetes. All right, it's excess insulin production that's caused by excess blood sugar. Once your blood sugar reaches a high level, what ends up happening is your pancreas starts pumping out more and more and more insulin. But after 5 to 10 years, it's just too much on your body, and in your body, your pancreas just starts to blow. It's not able to keep up with all the blood sugar, so it's not as efficient anymore, right? And that essentially causes type 2 diabetes. All right, so there are 2 things that you can do to help cure that issue. The first thing is decreasing sugar, all right? And this doesn't just mean cakes and cookies and candies and things of that nature. It also means the hidden sugar, the things in the bread, the white rice, the pasta, things that are not necessarily unhealthy, but do still have sugar in it. It's still gonna raise your blood sugar when you have those things. And when we're trying to get rid of diabetes, obviously you're working backwards, right? That's literally gonna contribute to it, not get rid of it. All right, make sense? So we wanna decrease the sugar. We wanna focus more on fatty foods, fish, salmon, tuna, tilapia, sardines, beef, chicken, steak, eggs, bacon, shrimp, things of that nature, nuts, right? You want to start getting in more of those and decreasing the sugar, all right? Second thing is fasting. And I'm going to be honest with you guys. Can I be honest with you for a second? Fasting is more important than decreasing sugar, all right? Because if you, let's say, eat lower carb foods, but you're grazing all day, all right? You're eating breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner, snack, wake up in the middle of the night, have a snack, right? If you're doing that, even if it's healthy, lower carb, lower sugar foods, anytime you eat, you trigger this right here. You trigger insulin every time you eat, right? So that means now we want to focus more so on the fasting. Even if you didn't do this, but you fasted, you'd be getting more benefit. Now, if we combine cutting out sugar with intermittent fasting, now we're gonna really see the fat burning furnace just go haywire. It's gonna go crazy. Like the fat's just gonna melt off. You're gonna literally need a mop to just clean it up, right? So you're gonna lose body fat, but as a side benefit, or I should actually say the side benefit is you're gonna lose body fat. But if you're dealing with type 2 diabetes, you're gonna cure it, all right? When you do the fasting, combining those 2 things is gonna be crazy. So I'd recommend doing 1 to 2 meals, all right? You do 1 to 2 meals throughout the day. The rest of the day you're fasting. And like I said, you wanna make it a low sugar meal because combining the 2 are powerful, all right? That's like pouring gasoline on a fire. It's just gonna lead to an explosion, all right? So now send this to someone. If you know anyone that's dealing with type 2 diabetes, could be a mom, your dad, someone in your family, a family friend, whoever. All right, if you know anyone struggling with type 2 diabetes and they believe that it's hopeless, they can't do anything, right? This might be even you. All right, if you've been told that lie and you're conditioning, your mental conditioning is that of someone that believes that that's actually reality, you can't cure it, you can't get rid of it, please take notes, rewatch this video, apply these 2 tactics, and I guarantee you, you're gonna get rid of the problem, all right? Now, if you like this video, please drop a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe so we can spread the message of good health and fitness, all right? Peace.